Hello, my name's Larry Burkholder. I'm going to show you how to install a outswing and an in-swing screen door. We're now ready to install the door header. This is pre-cut to the correct length from the factory. You're going to install this exactly 80 inches off the deck, and there's two pieces of hardware which attach with two screws. We're now ready to install the brackets to hide these screws. And I like to use my thumb and get it in place on one side, and one tap and it's in place. We're now ready to install the door jamb onto the header. You always want to install the header portion of the jamb first, and this installs with 1, 2, 3 screws. Six of these. Here we have the jamb installed for the in-swing door, and you can see the rubber portion is on the inside of the 2x2 verticals. I have now installed the two bottom hinges. You want to make sure that the recess part of the door mates in the projecting part on the hinge. This is going to be a outswing door. You can see how that's going to look. This attaches with 4 screws per hinge, and I've attached the middle one and the bottom one. Now let's take a look at the screen door. We're ready to hang the screen door, and I've taken a Sharpie and I've circled a little indentation on the screen door, which is where the center screw for the hinge is applied. This is a universal door. It's either a left hand or a right hand door until we put a hinge on. So I've installed my hinge on this side of the door, and this screw has gone into that little indentation. Okay, I have just a few screws in place here. I have the hinge attached with 1 screw here and 1 screw here. I can see that this center hinge is going to work perfectly, and I'm attached with 1 screw to the door here, and I can check my fit and form, and I'm very pleased with the way this is going to work. So at this point, it's just coming back and putting all the required screws in place. We're now ready to look at the install of the door sweep. This can be installed to a height of your preference. It can be installed on the inside or the outside of the door. It does have some adjustability. And this one here came in a little wide. It would need to be field cut to length, but it's simply going to install with 3 screws.